I'm just doing some chores. We've got a rotation in the house where we all do like the whole house, like vacuuming and bathrooms and stuff on Sundays, and it's my week this week. Let's even go. Your lounge room is all tidied up, save for vacuuming. Cal is doing the dishes. Cal is doing the dishes. And I'm about to take the reception out. Kitchen's getting all clean too. I know it's an exciting life that we lead. I might do out here too, actually. Sweep up and stuff. I don't know. Biggest drama of the day is the stupid vacuum cleaner. I don't understand how anyone thought that this design was good for a vacuum cleaner, but it's like the sort of, okay, in the US we've got like vacuum cleaners that stand up. I would call them normal vacuum cleaners, and over here all of those are like $700, and all of these kind that they've got like, I don't know, it's like this little bit on wheels they have to drag around after you, and then like a scrunchy spirally bit hose thing, and then you've got the metal thing with the actual like sucky bit on it, and it is the most annoying thing to drag around and clean with. Like, you have to just drag all these pieces around, and all the various bits are all falling off each other and stuff. So stupid. Who thought this was a good idea is my question. And there are no like cheapo standy-uppy ones. I remember buying a really cheap vacuum cleaner for our freshman dorm for like $10 at Walmart. And yeah, it was really sucky, but like it existed. And it was nowhere near as horrible as this design of vacuum cleaner. If I can find a picture online, I'll post it. I've locked the vacuum cleaner away in a cupboard and never want to see it again, or else I would take a picture of that. Really hate this vacuum cleaner.
Dude, is that you batshit crazy?
I am not. It's a stupid vacuum cleaner.
Okay, alright. It's not as good a vacuum cleaner as it potentially could be. There are better vacuum cleaners. But
there are better designs of vacuum. I don't understand why this design exists.
You are right.
Who thought this was a good idea?
You are 100% correct. The point I'm trying to draw here is that no matter how bad a vacuum cleaner is, it's never really, like, normal to be crying about a vacuum cleaner.
It's really dumb.
Unless the vacuum cleaner, like, killed you or your family. Like, maybe a small child got tangled in the cord and strangled themselves. But even then, that's less crying about the vacuum cleaner and more crying about the fact that the child.
It should have taken me 3 minutes to vacuum this tiny house, and it took me like half an hour because the vacuum cleaner is crap and just falls apart.
Again, it doesn't fall apart when I use it, so no offense, seriously, but you've got to be doing something wrong.
Well, why don't you watch me when I vacuum next time, and you can show me how to use it.
Because anytime I get anywhere near you when you're vacuuming, you have a murder bit. You have a murder. You break down and start trying to kill everything. Maybe I didn't want to say this at the time because I was afraid you were going to hurt me. But maybe it wouldn't fall apart so much if we weren't so rough with it. Because we're angry at it.
Maybe I wouldn't need to be so rough with it if it actually worked. As far as I'm concerned, it's witchcraft and I want nothing to do with it.
Come on, that's a ridiculous sentence. Is it because of the vacuum cleaner?
If you
Are you
had,
angry because of the vacuum
you had
cleaner?
any idea how easy it is to vacuum with a normal vacuum cleaner,
I've used those vacuum cleaners.
yeah, aren't they great?
They're pretty good, yeah. But like, no matter how much better they are, I wouldn't be crying about it. It's not like I fondly reminisce to when I vacuumed at your mother's house with a standy-uppy vacuum.
I
and
do.
think, oh dear, oh, I wish I still had that. Because that's crazy. Because
No, it isn't.
that's actually what a crazy person would do.
Nuh-uh. Why?
Where'd you come from and why are you licking your lips? Hey, I missed you. Hey, come here. You're getting cuddles whether you like it or not.
He's really alarmed by this.
Just punch me in the face. Did he find the pixie stick
I
wrapper?
don't know. So where do you see the pixie stick wrapper?
You like pixie stick wrappers?
No, he's laying on it. Here, I'll try to find it under him. Where'd it go, Thor? There it is. Birds? There were birds?
I love that I bring a chair up so that, you know, I can sit out here maybe during, like, not properly during the day. Like, times like this, you know, it's not
Yeah.
too bright, it's not hot or anything, it's just nice out.
Yeah.
So I could sit out here with a book if I wanted to, but no.
No, this is Thor's chair now. You knew what you were getting into when you bought a cat.
Oh, and yet I want another one.
I know. Can never remember. How do other people remember? Like, someone has to put it out first. How do they remember?
Alternating weeks.
Yeah.
So I think the problem is with us, it's not always the same person putting the bin
Yeah.
out. Whereas if it's always the same person, then you go, oh yeah, I put the recycling out last week, so I won't put it out this week.
Oh, Ty.
I mean, I guess.
We're being really lazy. I know, it's blue because I didn't go anywhere today.
It looks like we're going to get some more rain later.
How about you? It's dinner time.
Well, I didn't forget, I just didn't care.
Oh. It's not very nice. Nah.
That's enough.
That looks delicious. I don't understand.